Welcome to Gardening for 6th through 8th graders, where students dig deep into science, sustainability, and the future of food. This program is organized into focus areas that help students think like scientists, designers, and innovators while exploring real-world applications of gardening. In science and innovation, students design and test systems like irrigation and compost setups, putting STEM principles into action through hands-on experiments. In sustainability and systems thinking, learners examine how gardens impact ecosystems, food systems, and community health, developing skills to understand the bigger picture. In culinary connections, students grow herbs and vegetables and then use their harvest in seasonal recipes, discovering the full garden-to-table experience. By combining science, sustainability, and culinary creativity, students not only learn to grow food but also build collaboration, problem-solving, and innovation skills that contribute to healthier communities. Join us today and embolden your middle schoolers to grow knowledge, skills, and a passion for shaping a sustainable future.